Hello! Today's sounds are bird. It's like a little beak. Bird up at the side of your face. Bird. Can you sing bird, Oscar?
Yes.
Bird.
Bird.
The next sign is my favourite. Butterfly.
That's my favourite.
Is that your favourite too? You link your two thumbs with palms of your hand facing you.
My favourite. I know.
Link them and then flutter. Butterfly. Can you sign butterfly? Butterfly. Okay. And the next sign today is, can you guess what that was? Bee. So you do a bee,
And that's like
two pinchers
Bumble.
flat in your hand twice.
Is that for Bumble?
Bumblebee. Bumblebee. Can you sign bumblebee?
Yeah. Bumble. Bee.
Yeah, two fingers. Your finger and your thumb just. Bumblebee. Good job. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.
See you soon.